So I'm going to make roasted potatoes, and these are the potatoes that I grew up with. Super simple side dish for meat, fish, fowl, anything you want. You're going to put them in this incredible pan. There we go. You can make them smaller if you want. And a fair amount of garlic. 6 cloves, 4 cloves, 3 cloves, more garlic if you want more garlic. Just sliced in half. Olive oil, lots of olive oil. Salt. Fresh oregano, you can use dried oregano as well if you'd like. A little bit. And then rosemary. And we can just chop this up a little bit. And there we go. Just give them a good mix together. And then we can pop them in the oven for an hour to an hour and a half. That's up to you. Oh, I see. Oh, yeah. Those are nice. These are ready to go. Nothing has stuck, oddly enough. And you can serve them right in this thing. Fancy.